You were the only one who's always been there for me. You're the best friend I've ever had. You know that, right?
Where'd the October birds go? I used to watch them from the window when I had eyes to see, when I was more like me. Where did your rosy face go? When did your cheeks get so hollow? Just a reflection of me. Did I hurt you so badly?
But they'll never know how tragic and boring and insecure you are.
I wanna be good, but the moment I see that runaway bride on the train headed east, I wanna be like her, I wanna be free. She lifts her dress and runs into the street. But I've never seen a staircase without dreaming of falling. I'm the flinch in your cheek, I'm the shake in your hand. And I've laid here before and I'll lay here again. And I haven't seen war, but I've tasted the sand. I've died 500 times with your flag in my hand. And I've never seen a river without dreaming of jumping. Call me lucky and spoiled, I'm selfish and awful. I wake and I want more, I go to sleep needing you over and over. I take what you give me, no man is an island. I'm the girl on your shoreline, washed up and heaving, pathetically breathing. I cling to your sleeves and I stop you from leaving. October birds singing and wedding bells ringing, tied to the altar